Welcome to the CoCo App tutorial. Today, we'll walk you through the process of adding and managing contacts on the Settings page. Let's begin by opening the CoCo app, clicking on Settings, and then selecting the Contacts section. Hit Add Contact or the plus sign at the right corner to add a new contact. On the Add Contacts page, you can manually type their phone number or conveniently invite them from your phone contacts book. Choose whether set this contact as your emergency contacts. Assign a nickname to easily identify them, and then choose the relationship and specify the permissions. If you grant health permission, they'll be able to remotely view your health data, such as vital information and activity. You can also give them admin privileges, allowing them to perform remote admin tasks like configuring medicine or managing contacts. Click Send Invitation. CoCo requires the contacts to manually accept your invitation to confirm that they are your contacts. If the contact is an existing CoCo user, they can accept it directly in the app. After they accept, the status will change to accepted. If the contact is not a CoCo user yet, they'll receive an SMS message, which provides instructions on how to accept it. From the contacts side, with health permission, they can remotely view their carrier's health data through the CoCo app. With admin permission, they can perform remote configurations for their carrier, such as adding medication reminders. These configurations will be sent to their carrier's CoCo smartwatch within 5 minutes if the smartwatch is connected. Thanks for watching. If you have any more questions or need assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@semcoral.com.